This is a test run of the GLK4 series compact coil feed line, combining decoiling, straining, and feeding. The decoiler carriage moves to load the coil, bringing it into position on the mandrel, while the side guide arms lower to keep the coil in place. The mandrel tightens to hold the coil. The hold down arm lowers, keeping the coil under control as it unwinds. The support arms lift to carry the coil, allowing the strip to move along the feed path. The mandrel rotates to feed the strip forward, sending material into the straightening and feeding section. The straightening unit opens and flattens the strip. While the feeder keeps holding the material, the hydraulic shear performs a cutting action. In production, this compact coil feed line connects decoiling, straightening, and feeding, allowing the coil to move forward continuously with fewer stops.